The fundamental things that we do is trying to figure out a model for what's under the ground.
Geotechnical engineering and engineering geology is the study of how the Earth interacts with engineering structures.
Every civil engineering project requires a geotechnical engineer, ranging from skyscrapers to tunnels to dams.
Yeah, I am an inquisitive person. I always like to find out how things work.
It's that understanding of the Earth and how we manage it, which provides stable foundations for these structures. Without geotechnical engineering, then these structures would fail. My name is Andrew Barclay. I'm an engineering geologist. For the last 5 years I've been working on the Enlarged Cotter Dam project. The Enlarged Cotter Dam is an 85 metre high gravity dam. Basically means we're relying on the mass of concrete to hold back the water. One of the things I love about the geotechnical engineering industry is that every day is different. One day I might be behind a drill rig logging diamond core.
And the next day we could be developing a 3D model for a drilling program later in the future.
And a railway corridor, doing investigations about how to build a railway line. The next day you're doing a geotechnical investigation for the construction of a new dam. No 2 days are ever going to be the same.
One of the big geotechnical issues here has been working out how deep we need to excavate to basically find a stable and high strength foundation on which to build this 85 metre high dam.
We'll start by investigating. We'll dig test pits, drill boreholes, we bring samples back to the laboratory, see how strong the rock is by seeing what force is needed to crush the rock. We take the data that we've gathered on site to design a model of what we think is under the ground.
It's very satisfying because this is where we finally bring it all together into what we call the geotechnical model, and we can actually start to use that to analyse, say, the stability of the dam foundation.
There's a lot of problem solving. My name's Elizabeth, I'm a geotechnical engineer. Geotech's a lot like that. You have to actually think about things and you don't just look up a formula and apply it. Yeah, you have to think for yourself and think outside the box.
And that's what keeps it interesting and exciting. My name's Jess, I'm a graduate geotechnical engineer. I work at Goonyella Riverside Coal Mine. As a graduate, my responsibilities are to look after the safety and the stability of the walls in the mine. Whether there is a cracking or a rock failure, and ensuring our monitoring equipment is functioning and making sure that's a safe working environment for other employees. No, I didn't expect to be in the mining industry, so this is pretty exciting.
Geotech is very interesting because there's lots of different areas you can get involved in. So if you really are interested in the computers and the numbers, you can just work on the computers and the modelling. If you want to get out of the office, you can do that.
What I like most about my job is that sense of responsibility and working with such a varied team.
It's not a job which is confined to just your disciplines, it's a job which allows you to interact with a range of disciplines and a range of people. In this particular location, they're doing longwall mining beneath the ground. Because of the mining activities, there could be an adverse impact on the railway line and therefore it's safe operation. As a geotechnical engineer, go out there, take some readings and see whether or not there are impacts upon the railway line itself, railway tunnels and culverts which pass beneath the railway line. If you like the outdoors and you like to see the world, if you like to talk to people, geotechnical engineering would be for you.
Yeah, I was stoked.
Why?
Because I was offered a job with this multi-billion-dollar Fortune 500 international company. Why wouldn't you be?
It's really boring.
I'm very satisfied with my career, involved in some of the biggest infrastructure projects this country has, and every day is different and every day I learn something new.